All right, we'll do that. But I wanna do race car against race car real quick. We'll do that. Just make sure. Yeah, dude, I'm only running 727 horsepower on it.
You're a big boy.
Why are you mad? Yeah, the race car. It's only fair. I raced you already twice with the street cars, and I've beaten you with one, and I smoked you with the Ford GT. Now it's time to see what a real race car can do. Oh, it will. It will step it up. We'll do it again. Don't worry. I just want to see how this will go. Oh yeah, and by the way, I just realized that on my that last Ford GT I had, I actually had sport soft tires. I didn't have to race in soft, so we'll do that again if you want. That's dude. My PP on this one is 637. Oh my god, dude! Come on, let's just do this. Hurry up. What? Why? Come on. Join. Come on. I want to show your car real quick against my car.
Which one's you?
That's me. It's a Ford GT. Look at that ugly ass yellow car.
What's that?
Which one do you think looks better, Amanda?
The black.
Yeah, I know.
But what's the yellow one?
It's a Corvette. It's a shitty ass Corvette.
The
Alright.
black looks like that.
The black looks like Batman car. Oh, bro, you're gonna get dusted on this one. I can just already tell. Oh, now you're crying? Now you're crying because I'm in a race car and you're still in a race car. Why don't you get in a street car? Why don't you get in a street car then and I'll race in a race car for once and we'll see what if you fucking make it halfway through the track. This is awesome. This show'll be fun. Oh, look at that cute yellow car, Smokey. It's so cute with the big ass fucking headlights. Peace, son. Oh no. Bro, you wanna know the truth? You still have more downforce than I do. The only thing I have is the torque. It's the only, oh my god. I don't have, this isn't a fucking LM, bro. This is the test car. This is the street car. Look, I have a horn. How do I make, yeah, I have a horn. Do you have a horn? No, you don't, because yours is a real race car. This is still a street car. It's just where they test all the parts for the race cars. You're not doing too bad. But again, I don't tune for this first part, so it'll be okay until I get to the second. Yeah, good. Oh, I thought you were gonna cut. I thought you were gonna cut it. Every time the clock comes up for how much I've gained on you is like 2 seconds. God, I can barely make that corner now. I don't know why. I used to be able to make that corner like right on the fucking border of the track. Oh no. Bro, until you wait, just wait till you see this video. You're gonna be like, what? Like, I'm finally able to fucking show you what I do to fucking drive this beast. It's like non-stop drifting, dude. Non-stop. Every corner is like drift, drift. It's hilarious. Minimum brake every corner too. Oh no! Oh fuck. I just did like a fucking 360 180 after that. Yeah, I know. I'm on the straight, bro. It's over. This car is so fucking sick. What? Why are you mad, bro? It's all good. Yo, now that I brought out, it's not even a race car. It's still, I would say it's, no, it's not street legal, but it's not a race car, dude. They don't race with this fucking car.
Shit. Whatever. So I'll take you.
Will you be able to finish, Smokey? 25 seconds ready?
Okay.
Winner! Let's see, 6 minutes and 10 seconds, dude. Oh, it's so close. For not having played in a very long time, that's a pretty decent time. I'll take that.
Did you just drink that straight?
Yeah, well.
What?
No.
Oh, because I was.
Smokey just got embarrassed. You didn't even finish? Oh my god, dude. Over 30 seconds. Wow, bro. Oh, whatever, dude. Whatever. Alright, you can bring an LMP out, bro. I'll race you. You can have an LMP. I'll race this again. This is LMP.